Alright guys, it is now the next day. We're gonna try and work on the ceiling. As you can see, I was able to get the side paneling off. I'm gonna go around and take off what I can of these and try and clean this place up a little bit. So, let's go.
You know, years and years ago, in fact, the big truck was fairly new, and I was going to buy my ranch up in the Central Coast.
Okay.
And me and Sharon went up there for 2 or 3 days, and she had gone online and had all this property set up. And so we go up there, oh, here's a road, you know, and so we go on it, and it goes through like an orange grove, or it goes through a Orange Grove Ranch.
Yeah.
And so we're going, and man, these trees, they're right up there. The road's going, but it's as wide as that truck. And we're going for miles just about. And all of a sudden we come in, and here's this forklift parked across the road. I'm like, oh man, I can't back this thing up 3 miles or whatever it is. So I get out, and I get on the thing, and you know, and it's turning over, you know, and it's a diesel. No. And I'm trying, I go. So finally she gets out of the truck and goes, what's the matter? And I said, it's a diesel, and somewhere there's a red button you push, you know, and it'll start up. And she goes, oh, you mean this one? And right underneath the seat was this. Yeah, go get back in the truck. Right. I push it in, boom, the thing fires right up. You know, I mean, it was just the fuel shut off.
Yeah.
Right.
So.
Oh man.
That's where we're at.
Yeah,
right
that was yesterday. Well, we found that out at 4:30.
Yeah.
About beer 30.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we did.
Well,
like, we need to go get a beer.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa, baby! You're taking the fiberglass with me.
Grab half it.
Okay.
Wait. Cheers.
Don't call me that. Alright, we only got like 15 more panels to go. Are we rolling, Bob? Alright, folks. It's day 2 of ceiling removal. A riveting removal. I don't know if I like that, but we'll probably just stick with it anyways. I'm going to show you the progress that we've got so far. As you can see, we've got half of the paneling done. I think I'm actually going to move this to the back. Yeah.
My name's Kodak Black, but when you see me, I'm white.
Alright, so like I was saying, just start. Why don't you?
Abby's the reason I drink at night.
All right, so we got you guys set up over on this side. We've got about half the ceiling tiles taken out. We've got the front half to take care of today. It's day 2. I already said that. Anyways, this is what we're doing. So, yeah. Snap to it. We had taken a break to go get some more drill bits, titanium specifically. Pro tip of the day: Harbor Freight is fucking lying to you when they tell you that it's titanium drill bits, because they're not. We are 2 rows of rivets away from having the ceiling down. Feeling a little bit defeated about the fact that we got the wrong drill bits. And knowing us, we'll probably never return them. So really, before we can really, like, be serious about taking this floor out, we have to do those heater cores first. Also, I was thinking, if we take those heater cores out, does that mean it cuts off heat?